So you're thinking about selling your house. The one question that probably has already come to your mind is, how do I price this thing? How do I price it? So what I usually talk to my clients about is, do you know the minimum amount of money that you want or need to have from the sale in order to accept a offer from a buyer? And be surprised on how many people really haven't thought about that. But so generally, what I'll do if they don't have any idea of what they expect to get is I'll ask them a few basic financial questions. How much do you have left on your mortgage? You have any back due taxes? That kind of thing. That kind of gives us a starting point of what's owed on the property. And then the next thing I'll do is I'll sit down with them and I'll run through the comparable sales in the area. Stuff that's comparable to their home that is sold, say, in the last 90 days. That's a pretty good indicator of a starting point for a listing price for their home. And if everything looks good as far as that goes, in terms of amount that they can probably sell their home for versus the outstanding obligations against that to come up with their net, if that all looks pretty good, then the last thing that I'll do is I'll go out and help them look at stuff that is actively for sale in their area. That's our competition. So what we'll do is we'll kind of get in depth on that, and we'll go and look at the pictures that are posted out on MLS to give us an idea of what the condition of those properties is versus our property that we're looking to list. That gives us a good idea of things that we might want to do around the house just to improve it or to change it up a little bit to make it more competitive with other homes that are out there on the market. This is actually a strategy I used when I was doing fix and flip homes, and it works really well. Basically, you can always just make one or two little tweaks on your home to make it stand out from the competition. So anyway, if you're looking to sell a house and you're looking for a realtor that's been at this for a while, I'd be happy to talk with you. Go ahead and reach out. Thank you.